There's nothing like it in the country. There is nothing that combines two phenomenal schools with such wide reputations as the Culinary Institute of America and the Cornell Hotel School dual degree program.
It framed my mind and it gave me a grounding in a way to think about problems and to explore and probe and ask questions in both the culinary world and the kitchen design world and the branding world and the marketing world and the real estate world and everything else that is in and around restaurants.
The SHA CIA program has really given me a lot of operational experience, as well as a lot of sales, marketing experience.
I think what I've learned in terms of accounting, in terms of facilities management, in terms of management and hospitality, HR, those classwork in both schools have just been as well invaluable to me.
I came out of there thinking holistically in a way that when I started working in my first jobs, I was surprised other people didn't think that way. That I would think about food, but not just food, but the cost and what the guests would think about it when they came in and ordered it and ate it.
Importance that it is to have technical skills with a chef's knife or a saute pan. You also need a business degree as well to really excel.
I would say that this program, especially the alliance between the two schools, is an opportunity of a lifetime. I just don't see any other opportunity where you have such a phenomenal culinary school with great reputation like the Culinary Institute of America and the School Hotel Administration at Cornell coming together. An Ivy League school and the Ivy League of culinary schools in one bout is just phenomenal, and it has just been an opportunity I've been so happy with, and being able to do that in only 5 years has just been fantastic for me in my career and my own success.